I'm going to change the battery in this key fob. It's for a 2012 Mazda 5. Pretty simple. Try to show you best I can here. So open the key up. Inside there's a little spot you put your screwdriver to pry the key off. Really kind of hard to see down to there, right there. Push against that. And the whole top of the key comes off. And then inside here, there's a little spot you put your screwdriver. And you can kind of pry open. And the whole case kind of pops in half. Just like that. There's the battery. Just pop that out of there. Little plus symbol inside the case here. Get a fresh battery. Plus is marked typically on the side that has the words. So put the plus, matching the plus in the case. Pop it down. And then just reverse it, the assembly. Snaps on there. Snap the key on there. There we go.